All right, welcome back, everybody. 20 degrees today, just a little breezy. It's sort of warm compared to what it has been. Tomorrow they're saying it could get up to 40, so the snow is going to start to melt just a little bit and harden up. We had about an inch of snowfall the other day or more, and then the wind blew across the driveway some, so I got a few drifts to take care of, and I figured today would be a good day to clean that up before it starts to melt. Then it freezes again, and it'll get all hard and harder to drive over. So I figured I'm gonna set the camera up in the Utilimax today and take you guys for a cab ride, showing you actually in the cab plowing and talk a little bit as I plow. So let me get it fired up and get started. All right, so it's 20 degrees back in here, and so far all this winter I have had no problems with this Daihatsu diesel firing up. It is naturally aspirated, 26 horse. Generally I just hit the glow plugs twice and it usually fires right up. Does smoke a little bit, but we'll let this warm up and then we'll start plowing some snow. All right, I did want to show you guys before we get started, because I don't know how much the noise is gonna bother me here and here, but I wanted to show you a little bit of the view of the cab one more time. It's laid out pretty well, pretty spacious cab in this. I did change out, it's got a dome light up there. I did change that out to LED. I do have to do a little bit of work in here. The liner's coming off a little bit. I taped it up for this winter. This summer it got hot, it came off. I got to get some of that and redo that. I'm gonna redo a little bit of stuff in this cab anyway, but here's for my warning beacon light, and then you got your wiper controls, front and rear light, and then this is the fan, low, medium, high, and then your adjustment for your heat. Like I said, pretty spacious cab, pretty nice. It does have a cup holder and a toolbox. Steering wheel folds down nice. Like I said, it's like running a little mini combine. And the nice thing with this is you can lean all the way forward and see exactly where you're at and what you're doing. So once this gets warmed up, like I said, I'll put the camera in here and we'll go plow a little snow. can use this not only for in the winter time for plowing, but I can mow with it and other things too. So it's nice having a different machine, not just using the same machine every day. So pretty much I just wanted to get you guys some different angles, showing you plowing with this. This Utilimax this thing will push some snow. I really thought about getting a snowblower. I actually almost bought one last spring, but I changed my mind. I was going to go buy it just to have it. It was a Ventrac blower, and I was honestly thinking about putting the blower on the Ventrac also, or I could use it on this, but the Ventrac straight blades, they work great for what I use it for. This snow now is extremely wet. From it melting a little bit the other day, it's starting to harden up, and you can see even with a 6-foot blade, this has no problem pushing it. For me, the blade's just faster. Snow blowers do have their use, and I do like them, but I've had snow blowers in the past, but I had them before I had a cab, and there's no way I'll ever use a snow blower again without a cab. You couldn't pay me enough money. It's almost like using the broom without a cab. That's one of the things you really want an enclosure for if you're using either one of them attachments. Just that snow blowing back up on you. It's just no fun, and definitely makes better with the cab. So far this winter hasn't been too awful bad. We haven't had many snows, and there again, we really don't get that many snows to justify really having a blower anymore. There was one since I've lived here, and I've been here 15 years now, that we did get enough accumulation piling the snow up. It would have been nice to have a blower every time it drifted over like this, but I enjoy using a straight blade. It's a lot of fun, and pushing snow's satisfying. Like I said, I can generally push the snow fairly quickly and get this driveway done in about a half an hour, which would take longer with a blower, but you never know. Down the road, if I find another snow blower used, it may be an attachment I'll buy in the future. I will say too, these cabs, even like the Ventrac cab, they released a new cab, and that cab is very impressive. Like I said, I do love the Ventrac cab, and I'd like to eventually have one. They are a little pricey, but being out of the wind, the snow, I mean, I could wear a t-shirt in this right now, and I got the heat turned out pretty low in this, so definitely spoiled now. But like I said, a cab is something that I was wanting for a lot of years, and I am very glad and fortunate to have one of these. Now here I am driving through the yard. This does look a little stupid to some of you, but I do make one little pass around the yard, and that's because I've said this before in videos. I have a small dog, and little dogs, little feet, they do have a tendency to have a hard time walking in snow, and it's brutally cold for her, so she likes having a little path. It's like a little bobsled path for her. She runs around through here and loves it, and it's like she's running in a tunnel with snow on each side, and gives her a little bit of exercise in the winter. Like I said, guys, this machine has no problems at all with pushing, and no problems at all with traction, I'll tell you that.
it as a kid because it was the only time you could actually have full range. You want to play with matches and burn stuff, and your parents didn't care. So, pretty much the reason I burn the trash is I have a long driveway. We recycle everything, the glass, the plastic, all the metal. We have a nearby recycling dumpster that you can dump all that off into, and we just keep all the recyclables. I take and dump all that off, and we only have like 1 or 2 bags of trash to keep generally, and I hate taking that stupid barrel, that blue can, all the way to the end of the road. It just drives me nuts. I don't know, I don't like doing it. It's a pain, so I just bring the trash out and burn it. I can get the barrels for like $7 each. I burn it once, I take it to the dump, I dump them out. The second burn cycle, they usually just go right into the dump. So I get $14 a year of barrels. It's like $10 a time to go to the dump, and I take a bunch of other crap with me anyway. So 35 to 40 bucks a year for trash pickup. I don't think that's too hateful. It's saving me like probably $400 a month. Like I said, it's not having to take that stupid blue barrel out to the end of the road and dump it. That's worth all the money to me right there. That's not burning trash is sort of a pain sometimes because it was pretty drought last year, and there was times where they had the beans in the field and stuff I couldn't burn. I had to store the trash for about 10 days till we got a rain because I didn't, I don't want to start a fire or nothing. But other than that, that's why I burn trash. Like I said, I'm one of the old school rednecks, I guess, that it's just fun going out, getting rid of it that way. It makes it easier. I do have this plane up below. Some of you are probably wondering if it's hurting to drive the yard while doing this. I do have the skag set up. This is set up about 1 inch, but it doesn't harm the grass one bit. It floats right across here, and this ground's frozen enough. I'm not worried by no means of digging into anything, that's for sure. I will say 2 things I love about the Utilimax is the wide spacious cab for sure, like I've stated, and just the fact that everything's right here in front. It does take a while to get used to. It is goofy backing up, but man, once you get used to it, it's definitely a lot of fun to plow some snow in, that's for sure. Yeah, this has definitely made my last 2 years of plowing snow video just to go ahead and show you guys more in action of this thing really pushing, but I do have some other videos on it where it doesn't really have any issues at all pushing snow.
All right, so snow's all pushed away for one more day. Like I said, hopefully this winter I'll get a chance to play around with this a little bit more. Like I said, I wanted to give you guys a cab ride, a tag along, just sort of show you guys plowing, what it looks like in action. If you guys have any more ideas, Ventrek, Steiner videos, or garden tractor videos alike, be sure to drop it in the comments below and I'll try to do some videos for you guys. If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.